Moodle is your online learning platform. To access Moodle, open your browser and go to the NorthTec homepage, www.northtec.ac.nz. Click Portal at the top of the screen, then click Sign in to NorthNet Moodle. The Moodle login screen will open. Bookmark this page so that you can access it directly in the future. Click Students icon. If prompted, enter your student ID, which you received from the enrolments team when you first enrolled, followed by @northtec.ac.nz. If you don't know or can't find your student ID, go to the ICT help page on the NorthTec website for details of how to contact the ICT team. On the NorthTec sign-in screen, your username will autofill. Enter your password. If you are a new learner, your password is your date of birth in this format. Click Sign In. If your password isn't working, try using the password reset tool accessible via the ICT help page. If this doesn't work, contact the ICT team. If you are the only person who uses your device, click Don't show this again and Yes, so that you don't have to log in every time you want to access Moodle. You will be taken to the Moodle dashboard. To find out about the Moodle dashboard and how to access your course in Moodle, watch the other videos in this series.